My portfolio jumped over 73,000 in one day. Why did stock market jump today? At the end of the video, I'm going to talk about 4 reasons why we should be worried about. Most people do not know about these reasons. So today, S&P 500 jumped over 9.52%, so almost 10%, but it stayed down 7.01% year to date. And Nasdaq jumped over 12%. It stayed down 11.1%. So there are opportunity to make money because it stayed down. So never miss 10 best trading days because it only takes about 10 best trading days like today to make up for all the losses and probably get profit. So Dow Jones jumped 7.87% today, and year to date it stayed down a little bit, 4.21%. So today that was a big jump. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla jumped 22.69%. Year to date it stayed down 28.23%. Look at that. Apple jumped 15.33%, and year to date it stayed down 18.45%. And Microsoft 10.13%, year to date 6.71% down. So there's so many opportunities. Amazon 12% jump, year to date it stayed down 13.22%. Alphabet, Google 9.68% up, year to date it stayed down 16.22%. Look at Meta, 14.76% jump, and year to date it's probably one of the stocks that weather this terrorist storm pretty much very well. It's only down 2.225%. Look at that. And Nvidia jumped 18.72%, but stayed down 17.34%. So which stocks do I like the best? This is not financial advice, okay? I like Nvidia, Meta, Google, Amazon, probably the best. You know, Amazon and Google and Nvidia probably have lots of upside. Meta should also have upside too, but Nvidia's a lot. Look at that, 7.34%. So, how about Microsoft? I'm not so bullish on Microsoft, but it's undervalued. But I prefer the other four better. Apple, no, I don't want to touch it. It's overvalued with tariff going on, you know. Tesla, no, it's overvalued, and I don't like to touch Tesla at all. So only four stock that I really like. So why did the stock market jump? Because Trump paused tariff for 90 days, except for China. So most of the countries gonna have 10% base tariff. So the upside tariffs he's not gonna impose. He's gonna pause it for 90 days. So that's why stock market jump. So why did he do that? So reason number three, because his billionaire supporters doesn't like, they don't like tariff at all, right? Because billionaires, they have so many businesses. There's so much changes within the last few weeks. So it's very hard to do business, and suddenly costs a lot of money. So basically, his supporters are turning against Trump, like Elon Musk made appeals to Trump to reverse sweeping new tariffs. Elon Musk have factories in China all over the world. These tariffs will be really tough for the business. And also, big MN calls 90-day timeout. Do you know why? All risk self-induced economic nuclear winter. You know, it's like nuclear bomb. So that could wipe out lots of economics. Trillions of dollars. It's already wiped out $6 trillion all over the world. So it could be worse. So he called for the timeout. This guy, this gentleman, you know, it just pause 90 days. And yeah, so and also very important reason number two, 10-year treasury yield. It used to go down until 3.86 low on February 4th, February 4th, but it jumped started from last Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it jumped back again. So Trump really care about 10-year treasury yield, right? he did not care about stock market. He cared about 10-year treasury. You know why? Because uh, this is a rate that mortgage borrower they borrow the rate based on this rate, and also the federal debt. The more than 33 trillions of debt U.S. has. They most of the debt's gonna be they need to renew it at the beginning of this year. So they need to finance the new debt. So it's really the best time to finance when the interest rate are the lowest because you don't need to pay so much high interest rate, right? So that's why Trump purposely crashed the stock market. But over the past few days, it jumped. So there must be a reason. I'm going to talk about it in a short time, okay, in a while. So why? Because you know what? Lots of the foreign investors usually fly to U.S. Treasury bonds when they are afraid, right? When there's a COVID, when there's a recession, or when there's a war, whatever. But now they start to doubt U.S. ability. They start losing their trust in U.S. So that's why they started to dump U.S. bonds. So that's why the bond yield jump. U.S. has to pay more to attract bond investors. Lots of people are selling. Lots of people are selling. So people, there are more. If there are more sellers, the buyers need to ask for more higher interest, right? Because it's riskier. Higher interest to compensate for their risk and so that they can get a bond. They to attract the buyer to pay for the bond. And also remember, lots of foreign institutions they own U.S. Treasury bonds, especially China. China is one of the biggest holder of U.S. debt. So because Trump raised the tariff on China to more than 120%, hey, you know what? China has this weapon in up their sleeves, right? So they could have started dumping the bonds, so the yield up. So Trump, you know what? I'm gonna stop doing that. Give it 90-day pause, whatever, for negotiation, whatever, right? To make it appear like he's having a victory. But the cost is so much. It costs $6 trillion. In retirement accounts, 401k, it all wipe out. So what do you think? Do you think uh, was he smart to do this way, or was he not smart? Did he make any mistake? Comment down below. And reason number one, and he paused tariff because credit market freeze, right? If credit market freeze, businesses could not borrow money and you cannot use your credit card, and buyers cannot borrow money to buy homes, houses. So the whole economy is gonna be like shut down. If it's shut down, like it's cost lots of money. It's like nuclear bomb. Your trains running at 100 miles per hour, but if you stop suddenly, the train's gonna crash. The same way with economy. So Trump did not want to cause nuclear bombs, financial nuclear bombs. So that's why he stopped it. And there's one reason that we should be worried that most people don't know, and that is experts and critics raise questions after Trump says this is a great time to buy before pausing tariffs, right? So why did he say that this is a great time to buy just a few hours before pausing the tariff? Trump's tariff whiplash is open corruption. He admitted himself. He posted a message to his follower just before pausing the vote of his tariff. You see, this is a great time to buy, Donald J. Trump. Just 4 hours before announcing 90-day pause on most retaliatory tariffs except for China. Yeah, this caused the stock market to shoot up. So this could be a corruption. This could be an insider trading. So what do you think about it? This is what the news said, right? So what do you think? Do you think his friends or his family or relatives engage in insider trading, or he purposely want to give his followers a heads up to be able to do insider trading? Yeah, those are illegal, right? So what could go down? If you think he broke the law, comment down below. If you want to learn more about stock investing, option trading, and advanced option trading, go to Master Risk Stock Option Crypto YouTube playlist. If you want to open an account, stock trading account or option trading account, the links will be in the description and comment down below as well. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.